Hi Charles, so today I want to do a little bit of a quick comparison between what is the difference between the Memobottle stainless steel A6 and the regular plastic A6. Now when I first looked at these online I just assumed that they would both be the same size because A6 and A6 naturally you would imagine they would be the same size. But if you actually look closer here at the packets, this one here, the stainless steel one, is actually 500 milliliters or 16 ounces. And this one here is 375 ml or 12 ounces. So for some reason, they made this one a little larger and this one a little bit smaller and lighter. I do kind of wish that they offered the plastic one in the 500 ml size because having that little bit of extra water is very handy. But I'll get into that in a minute. Now I did purchase the stainless steel version with my own money, but I had a little bit of a problem that you can still see here with the lid. So when you unscrew the lid, like so, you can see that the plastic gasket stays on the lid, which isn't actually supposed to happen. It's supposed to remain in there. Now you can see it has a little bit of a sharp lip there, and I've tried putting it in both ways, but no matter what I do, it does still seem to come out. So I sent an email to the company and I asked them, was that supposed to happen? And they said, no, that's not supposed to happen. So they said they would send a new one because apparently the first run, which is this, when I bought this one, is one of the first runs, they said that it had a problem with the gasket. So I said, instead of sending me a new one of this, please send me the plastic version because I want to actually compare them. So when I did that, I then also went onto their website and with my own money again, I purchased another white stainless steel lid here, and it also has a problem with the gasket. So I don't know if they're still stocking problematic stock on their own website, but I've now tried two different lids and they both have the same problem. So for those reasons, I cannot recommend this, although I really do like the stainless steel feel and the paint. It looks really good, and when you drink water out of it, it has a nice cool feeling with the stainless steel. The lid is a huge problem, but the biggest problem for me is that this one actually weighs a real lot while it is empty because of the stainless steel. It actually has a very heavy weight. It weighs 320 grams, which is 0.7 pounds, and then this one here weighs 110 grams or 0.2 pounds. So this one is actually 3 times heavier than the plastic one, and that's while it's empty. So when this is empty, it kind of feels like it's already full of water. So again, if you're not going to be bothered carrying it and it's just for looks, it is a great bottle. I like that it is 500 ml. But the other thing as well is that because of the rounded bottom, it doesn't stand up on tables. You can possibly sometimes get it to stand up, but yeah, neither of these bottles stand up on tables very well. You can sometimes get them to, but they've designed them in a way that they deliberately don't, because they sell a stand and they want you to buy like a separate stand. So a little bit annoying, but obviously that is what they want to do. That brings me to the plastic version. Again, this one is a little bit less capacity, 375 ml or 12 ounces. It has a nice sturdy design, and because this one is plastic, it's much lighter weight. Now with this one it came with the silver lid, but I did buy this gold lid just because I wanted to see what it looks like, and being a fan of Daft Punk, I thought that the silver and gold would remind me of the robots. But there it is with the gold lid. It looks very nice, and yeah, I think that this one fits in a bag very well. So I have this 2.5 litre bag from Belroy. Now this bottle actually fits in there very nicely, as you can see, and you still have room on the side for other items. Of course, this 500 ml version also fits, but it's going to be much heavier when you end up carrying it for a while. So I would recommend this one if you're looking for like a flat, easy, compact bottle to carry in like sling bags and stuff. But if you are looking for, like a 500 milliliter bottle, something that is a bit bigger, I definitely recommend this one here from Vapur. Again, I bought this one with my own money. This one is 500 milliliters and it weighs 50 grams or about 1.7 ounces. And it's roughly a similar size and can be flattened out to be even flatter. You can also roll this one up to be very compact. So once you've finished drinking it, it's even more compact in your sling bag because it just fits in there very nicely like so. So those are a few water bottle options for sling bags. and just a bit of a comparison between these two bottles. Do let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. Which of these do you prefer, or do you know another brand that you would recommend? And thanks for watching.